I would like to start off by saying thank you for this opportunity. One thing that all of us need to bear in mind is that digital transformation is not only changing the way a customer does business, but is also changing the way a customer is buying today. Gone are those days where the customer used to buy products, is now buying outcomes. It would be surprising for most of you to note that 60% of the available funds sits outside the IT organization with the business owners. The business owners don't understand IT. What they understand is the outcome that IT will give, which will enable his business to move further. Let's take a step back and see what Hitachi Vantara is doing in the market. Hitachi Vantara has been formed by 3 companies coming together: Hitachi Data Systems, Pentaho, and Hitachi Insights. The reason that these 3 companies have come together, that we found that as a cohesive force, we are far more better equipped to deliver to the customer what he needs from a digital transformation. Not only deliver, but also help the customer in his journey of digital transformation. For the partners who are out there, the only message that I would like to give is that to stay relevant in this marketplace, where the technology is disrupting every other day, you have to move up the value chain. Doing what you were doing is not going to take you where you want to be. You will have to change the way you sell, change what you sell, because the person who is buying is changing the way he's buying and changing what he's buying. So if you don't change, then you will stop being relevant to the customer. OEMs are changing because the customer is changing the way he's buying. If the OEM is changing and the customer is changing, the partner has to change. So my only appeal to every partner here is have a look at your business. I'm not saying that what you're doing is not going to be relevant. It is very relevant. Looking at infrastructure going to be the underlying structure where everything else is going to run. But only selling infrastructure is not going to take you where you want to be in the future. You will have to look at new disruptive technologies, create a niche for yourself, create a value prop for yourself, which the customer will recognize and will appreciate. And that appreciation will also come in terms of business volumes and the margins that you earn out of the business. If you are keen on doing that, Hitachi Vantara is the one-stop shop for you to come and talk to. Thank you.